Wait lang. Guys, okay, ito yung problem. Siyempre, yung mga taga rito, hindi naman sanay na maraming tao. Yes. So ngayon, feeling nila na disrupt talaga yung peace and quiet place nila. So ire-reklamo. When they do that, they will make a stop and maybe stop filming. And we don't want that to happen. And I know you understand. Wala rin kayo mapapanood na pelikula pag nangyari yun, di ba? But there, ang totoo, dapat paalisin kayo. But I don't wanna do that. But we have to meet halfway. You cannot stay out on the streets. Ito ang location natin, kung pwede bang maging tahimik tayong andito sa lugar na to, and only that because these are the only two houses that allowed na magstay kayo. So if we can be quiet and stay, pero ngayon pa lang po sinasabi ko sa inyo, mamaya pa sila lalabas because I am taking emotional scenes. Pag pinanood nyo ang pelikulang to, pag pinalabas, you will understand me how difficult the scenes are inside, which that's why I cannot make them go and say hi to you. But I can do that after, but quietly, otherwise they will all get mad at us.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay?
Respect na yung perimeter namin kasi
Yeah.